Another excessive heat warning today over the city, but we're gonna try to cool you down right now. It's David George and a Crooked Mile with Cold Rain.
Slip away, 'cause I can't live without you.